Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an affordable unit from OMGqueen. I have done several videos for them in the past, so be sure to check those out. I'll include them in the description box as well as in the cards above, so you all be sure to click on those. This one is a curly unit and it is a Rihanna inspired style. It's the Rihanna Wild Thought style, so we're going to see how nice these curls look and how much they nail this style. So I'm going to take it out. So this is what the unit looks like. These curls are really pretty. Look at that. Oh wow, and they have updated the construction of their unit. They now have an elastic band. I love that companies are doing this now. And look, this one is one that you can detach. That is really awesome. Because you might decide that you don't want to wear the elastic band. I don't know why you wouldn't though. But this allows you to be able to put your unit on and not have to do all the gluing and everything. Now, I found that when I use the elastic band, that I still do have to secure the sides down. But we'll see if the ear tabs lay flat on my head. But most units that I've gotten where there's an elastic band attached, the ear tabs usually stick up, but we'll see if that's the case with this particular unit. I can only imagine what the curls are gonna look like once it's wet. So let's put it on and see if it fits. I did get a size medium, and this unit is in 150% density. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. And it's weird because on the site, the way that the hair looks on the website, it actually looks a little looser, but these curls look much tighter than I expected. It's really pretty. And I think I may keep the middle part. I think that's how Rihanna had hers. And right out of the package, the curls look really nice. This unit is in length 14. It does kind of look like it may be length 12 compared to like a straighter unit, but that's because of the shrinkage that happens with curly hair. The parting looks good. You don't get a whole lot of parting, probably about looks like about 3.5 inches, maybe 4 inches in the middle, which is decent. And I love that they didn't actually pluck out the center or the parting that they actually pre-did in the unit. Sometimes I found it with some companies that are affordable, they kind of pluck it out. I think OMGqueen used to do that, but I don't believe they do that anymore, which is good. And the hairline has been pre-plucked, so that's good. I don't believe I'm going to do any of that with this particular style. It also appears that they may have lightly bleached the lace, which is great. So I don't really have to do the Sally Hansen method, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway just to tint the lace some because it's not really my scalp color. So I'm just gonna do that now and then install the unit.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. See, get my grip and done.
Oh my. So I do love that they put an elastic band on, but this one is actually way too loose. Y'all see that? There's so much extra space. So it's not as fitted as it needs to be, but yeah. And I don't know how you can actually correct that. It needs to be much tighter. So this one is good that we can actually detach it. I'm going to have to take it off because it's really not going to serve me any purpose because it's not tight enough, unfortunately. All right, so we're going to take that. Oh, look at that. No, I'm wrong. You can adjust it. I didn't realize this one allowed you to adjust it, so that's going to help a great deal. So let's try this again. Maybe I won't have to actually gel it down.
Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
That's great. So much better. Okay.
Alright y'all, so I decided to actually secure the unit down with Got to Be Glue anyway, and also to shift the part because I like a side part with curly hair. It's more so my style. As you can see, the ear tabs were lifting, although I had an elastic band. So this is just for added security. If you want to wear the unit with just the elastic band, go for it, but I feel like you do need some Got to Be Glue for this one. Y'all, this unit is looking so juicy and fabulous. I really love the results after adding edge control, but you can also achieve these results with the hairline with jam. But I've been using edge control lately. Now, when it comes to defining the curls, if you're wondering once you wash this hair or once you apply water, if it will define the curls and get tighter, with this particular texture, from my experience, I'd say no. It's going to look exactly the way that it looks currently, which is more so of a wet and wavy type look. So I actually sprayed water and then used my detangling brush in order to define the curls, and then I had to scrunch to get it back to the original curl pattern. When you wash this hair, use a detangling brush and also diffuser, and you can get the curls to look just like they do currently, but this one is not a texture where you can actually get a really defined look. It's pretty much going to look the same as it does now. But this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love what OMGqueen did with this unit. I hope that you all love it as well. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit and also all the specifications. They'll be provided down there. Leave your comments and feedback. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.